Hi everyone, and welcome to the very first Glow MOOC, our online course on the Glow language for DApps. I'm Alex Plotnick, one of 3 Alexes at MuKn. I'm at AFP on Discord. I'm also the newest Alex, so I'm definitely going to depend on help from Faray and the rest of the team to answer the really tough questions. Faray talked some about our assumptions behind the design of Glow and of this course. Here's what we'll assume about you in this course. We assume that you have some background in programming. Glow is primarily a programming language and not currently aimed at non-technical users. We don't assume you have a lot of experience, but we assume that you know what a programming language is, roughly what a compiler does, and what functions, variables, and constants are. We assume you're interested in building your own DApps. You definitely don't need to have experience writing DApps or even a concrete idea, though that would help. But we assume that you know roughly what they are and how they fit in the larger universe of blockchains. We also assume that you know the very basics of blockchains, what a token is, an address, a transaction. And we'll assume a bit of familiarity with public key cryptography, but we'll certainly explain details as we need them. If you don't know anything at all about all of those things, don't panic. We'll cover a lot of ground in this course, and if you don't follow all of it, we hope that you'll still get something out of the rest. We've also got lots of references in our bibliography, and are always happy to answer questions. So what are the goals of this course? Well, in this course, you're going to learn the syntax and semantics of Glow. That is, you'll be able to read and write simple interactions written in the Glow language, but much more importantly, to understand why they're written the way that they are. We hope that after taking this course, you'll go out and write all of your decentralized applications in Glow, and we hope that any time you want to write a smart contract, you'll think about writing it with Glow. But even if you never use Glow again, we hope that you'll learn in this course ways to build safer, smarter contracts, no matter how you write them. In addition to learning the nuts and bolts of Glow, we're also going to cover writing DApps generally and what can go wrong with that, DApp models and threat models, a bit of fancy logic and a little game theory, some topics in user interface, and a bit about on and off-chain communication. All right. Let's call this introduction that you're watching right now Module 0 of this course. Module 1 will have been released at the same time, and that's about downloading, installing, and setting up Glow. You'll need to have a working Glow installation to follow along with Module 2, which will be our first live class, and cover the basics of the language and the runtime. So your next step is to go watch Module 1, and if you have any questions, if you get stuck, if you have suggestions, please let us know on Discord. Again, I'm at AFP, and feel free to DM me, or you can ask for help on the Glow MOOC channel, and that's where we'll do most of our day-to-day discussions. One last note on the expected time requirements for this course. We'll be holding live classes and posting the videos once every 2 weeks. The videos will probably be around 60 to 90 minutes, with Q&A, give or take. We will occasionally assign homework, and like any course, the more you put into that homework on your own time, the more you'll get out of it. I strongly encourage working together, study groups, pairing, whatever you like. We also understand that not everyone has a lot of excess time, and so if you'd like to just audit the course and follow along with the videos, we'll arrange so that that's fine too. That's it for now. Thank you very much for joining us, and happy DAC hacking.